The legendary Bajaj Pulsar 220F is back and continues to be one of the most popular sports touring motorcycles. With its iconic design, powerful engine, and comfortable riding position, the Pulsar 220F remains a favorite among riders looking for performance at an affordable price. Design and styling. The Bajaj Pulsar 220F features a sporty full-fairing design with a sharp twin-pilot lamp setup, muscular fuel tank, stylish graphics, and a sporty windscreen. Its aggressive appearance still stands out on the road and gives the bike a premium feel. Engine and performance. Powering the Pulsar 220F is a 220cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine that delivers smooth power and strong acceleration. The 5-speed gearbox provides effortless highway cruising, while the engine is refined enough for everyday city riding. Features. The bike comes equipped with LED DRLs, a semi-digital instrument cluster, clip-on handlebars, disc brakes, and single-channel ABS for improved safety. Its comfortable seat and upright riding position make it suitable for both daily, commuting and long-distance touring. Ride and handling. The suspension setup absorbs bumps well, offering a comfortable ride. The bike remains stable at high speeds, and its responsive handling gives riders confidence on highways and city roads alike. Mileage and pricing. The Bajaj Pulsar 220F offers an impressive fuel efficiency of around 3.48 km/h, depending on riding conditions. It continues to offer excellent value for money, making it a great choice for riders seeking performance without a high price tag. Conclusion. If you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and powerful motorcycle that excels in both city traffic and highway touring, the Bajaj Pulsar 220F is still one of the best options in its segment. It successfully combines performance, comfort, and affordability into one exciting package. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews and automotive updates.